Crazy World Event Channel, our eye can see what you can't see. 20 Coolest Treehouse Around the World. Number 1, Free Spirit Treehouse.
In this video we're giving you a full tour of the interior of Free Spirit Sphere's treehouse, and we think you'll love them. The beauty of this wooden hanging sphere shelter brought tears to our eyes when we saw it in person. It's an elegant, magical, handcrafted tiny house that hangs completely suspended from the trees around it. These wooden spheres, and later, fiberglass spheres, were built by a creative engineering genius named Tom Shutley. He didn't only build the sphere structures, but he also built all of the unique space-saving furniture inside and sculpted and cast his own bronze hardware for the doors and windows.
Number 2, the UFO Treehouse.
The UFO Treehouse was designed to be the most unexpected thing you can encounter in the forest. And what could possibly be more unexpected than a UFO hovering amongst the trees? Inside the UFO you are taken to a space-inspired world with a starry sky in the ceiling and an interior and textiles designed according to the same theme.
Number 3, the Beach Rock Treehouse.
The Beach Rock Treehouse is not only one of the most impressive treehouse structures in the world but also one of the highest. The futuristic structure is perched right at the top of a tree in the Beach Rock Resort in Okinawa, Japan.
Number 4, 3-story Treehouse.
The Enchanted Forest's 3-story treehouse is located halfway between Sicamous and Revelstoke, in southeastern British Columbia. It is known to be the tallest treehouse in British Columbia, standing 47 feet high with 64 steps to the top floor. That's a lot of hi-ho, hi-ho, it's up the stairs we go to get to the top.
Number 5, the Embryo Treehouse.
The Embryo Treehouse, which is a cylindrical 2-story tree structure that almost looks like an extension of the tree trunk, like a burrow. This image reinforces the notion that our homes should be an extension of Mother Nature. Biomimetic design is the imitation of the structures, elements, and systems of nature. The future will be filled with biomimetic inspiration.
Number 6, O2 Sustainability Treehouse.
The O2 Sustainability Treehouse is a translucent geodesic sphere, suspended using a steel cable support system. The treehouse is built with 100% sustainable materials, your choice of recycled soda bottles or 3-form corsa, and uses no nails or bolts, so it does not restrict or harm the tree. The design can accommodate any tree, single trunk, multi-trunk, or even several trees.
Number 7, the Roost Treehouse.
The Roost Treehouse is an experimental treehouse design is based on a concept to blend into the forest, so much that the house would almost become part of the tree itself and camouflaged in the surroundings. The roost rises up above the forest floor with sleeping quarters, viewing platforms, and spiral stairs. Each house consists of a series of pod-like capsules and each pod has sleeping space for 2 people. An exterior platform on top of the pod provides panoramic views of the treetops.
Number 8, the Hemloft Treehouse.
Hemloft is a self-funded secret treehouse built by Joel Allen on Crown land, government-owned, in Whistler, Canada. It hangs on a precipitous slope, in a towering stand of hemlocks, about a 5-minute walk from the nearest road. This treehouse was made using reclaimed materials, some of which came from Craigslist. Like all unique shelters, this treehouse, by carpenter Joel Allen, was a labor of love.
Number 9, KEEMALA Treehouse Resort.
The treehouses are inspired by the stories of the ancient KEEMALA clans. Each cottage or bungalow reflects the manner and culture of the specific clan, highlighting the importance of the traits they believed in. With 4 different options to choose from, there's a bungalow fit for couples, friends or groups traveling together.
Number 10, Mirror Cube Treehouse.
An original idea for an enchanting treehouse, the Treehouse Cube is a magical retreat set high up in nature. Made mostly of wood and recyclable aluminum, it comes with underfloor electric heating, lights, furniture and a water-efficient toilet space. And don't worry about distracted birds flying into your mirror-walled space, each unit is wrapped in an infrared film that is invisible to humans.
Number 11, Yellow Tree House Restaurant.
This pine-slatted pod, suspended at the midsection of a majestic redwood in a desolate New Zealand forest outside Auckland, began not as some restaurateur or design firm's unlikely vision, but an elaborate marketing stunt.
Number 12, TETSU Treehouse.
This fairy tale-like treehouse supported only by a single cypress trunk standing alone among the variety of cherry blossoms in the Kiharu Art Village, Hokuto, Japan. This charming minimalist treehouse is actually designed as a tea house, literally called Treehouse TETSU, and creates the most funny space to sit, talk and look at the artful scene of the village from its tiny windows with the cherry blossoms in full bloom.
Number 13, BIKU Retreat Treehouse.
The cocoa pod-shaped treehouses are inspired by cocoa pods and other seed structures found in the rainforests of Panama. These treehouses would be built as part of an eco-friendly retreat and chocolate farm on 9 hectares of tropical rainforest on Isla Pasteur. Each treehouse will be made from recycled materials, and include shaded balconies, sleeping areas, outdoor showers, and spiral staircases revolving around the tree trunk.
Number 14, Naha Harbor Diner Treehouse.
The Naha Harbor Diner is perched on top of this large banyan tree, also known as Gajima Uru. Although the tree isn't real, I've never been to a treehouse, what more a treehouse restaurant? To get to the restaurant, you'll need to take the elevator which is housed in the trunk of the tree. Views from the top of the banyan tree, view from the restaurant, overlooking the ocean. The Naha Harbor Diner claims to offer farm-fresh vegetables, juicy chickens and pork.
Number 15, Rosewood Puerto Papagayo Treehouse.
Rosewood Puerto Papagayo will have 92 expensive treehouse suites and homes. Designed by Ronald Zerker, the 5-bedroom, 5-bath Rosewood villas provide large outdoor living areas, each with a private pool and panoramic views over Culebra Bay and the Pacific Ocean. Striking contemporary design, the use of indigenous materials and locally inspired artwork are featured throughout.
Number 16, KEEMALA Tree Pool Houses.
KEEMALA's wow factor are the fantastic treehouse pods looming above the treetops. Clustered around the lobby area, the pods house a reception lounge, wine lounge, library, and hotel boutique. The fantasy architecture created a world of its own, so that I kept forgetting I was in Phuket and felt like I was in an unknown place, far removed from real life.
Number 17, Tree Hotel.
Tree Hotel in Sweden is a product of an idea that was spawned from the film The Tree Lover, a story that shines the light on the importance of trees in human lives. The idea quickly grew and clever architects managed to create an eco-friendly, yet comfortable and modern hotel that offers a unique experience that cannot be seen anywhere else in the world. The Tree Hotel is in literally unspoiled nature. The rooms are suspended several meters above the ground. The rooms are special treat.
Number 18, PINECONE Treehouse.
A pine cone-shaped tree house that provides stunning 360-degree views of California's redwood forest. The PINECONE Treehouse, which is suspended 60 meters above the ground between majestic redwood trees in Bonnie Doon, California. Designed by Dustin Feeder. The pine cone is clad in diamond-shaped panels layered to create the unique shape. The transparent facade provides guests with a stunning 360-degree view of the dense tree canopy.
Number 19, British Tree Castle.
The home was designed by Blue Forest. This modern family lives in a treehouse with trapdoors and zip lines. The children's treehouse is built to reference medieval architecture. The complex is connected by a series of rope bridges. The adult dwelling is composed of a kitchen, bathroom, and large living area. A secret hatch leads to a game room in the upper story of the children's treehouse. The pointed roofs create extremely high ceilings. The adult dwelling features a lower roof. A tree reaches right through the middle of the living room. The adult dwelling even has a large room with a bar to accommodate parties.
Number 20, Pointed Roofs Treehouse.
Peter Pitchler Architecture of Milan has developed a concept for a more leisurely form of tourism, one that enables a closer connection to nature. Against the densely forested slopes of Italy's Dolomites Mountains, clustered tree houses with pointed roofs are to rise in a cluster like genuine features of the landscape. The two-story tree houses varying between 35 and 40 square meters in size are to form in addition to an existing hotel complex.
Please subscribe and press the bell if you enjoy my video. More video is waiting for you.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video.